Hello, this is R. Krishnivas, a member of Gindi Times, the official campus magazine of CEG, ACT, and SAP. The Intern Diaries is an initiative by the Gindi Times to bring the real-time and virtual-time internship experiences of the current fourth-year students of CEG, ACT, and SAP campuses. Here's a small audio interview with a student who has completed his intern at MathWorks. Let's take a peek into Savvy Intern done by Darshan, who will enlighten us about the holistic experience at MathWorks. Darshan, please introduce yourself and tell us about your interests.
Hello, I am Darshan and I am an ECE student currently in my fourth year. So, my interests are portrait drawing and in technical side, it's OOPS and web development.
It's great to hear from you. Let's move on to the questionnaire. Moving on to the first question, how did you happen to earn an internship in MathWorks?
Yeah, so before 3 months, all the CS and IT students are preparing for something called as the internship. So for EC students, basically they don't have much idea about this. So it was all my CS and IT friends that helped me do this. And I started learning programming, data structures and algorithms. And also I learned some CS subjects like OS and DBMS and cleared some interviews and entered MathWorks.
What was the selection process? How many rounds of interview did you have?
So the selection process had its first round with the competitive programming. I cleared that. I did both the questions and was selected for the second round. The second round was an HR interview. So it went for about 45 minutes and it went quite smooth. And yeah, so that's all. We had just 2 rounds for the
That's fine.
intern.
Moving on to the third question, what do you feel about your internships working from home?
Yeah, so the internship from home will not give you the same experience as the internship in the company. But yeah, so they had every tools that are required to make the virtual internship smooth. So the onboarding was smooth and we could actually easily communicate with everyone. So I actually didn't feel much of a difficulty, I would say. But yeah, so the experience would have been better if I was there in the company. So that's only one thing. I didn't have much of a problem.
That's fine to hear. Moving on to the fourth question, was the domain of your intern in connection with the curriculum or were there any prerequisites?
Okay. So the domain I was given was embedded target. So I was in a team called as the embedded target and I was assigned with a network-based project. And so, yeah, I actually learned a lot with respect to networks. And yeah, so it was in no way related to my curriculum. I had to read some the CS network books. And yeah, I worked on Hercules and MATLAB and Simulink. So it was actually a bonus that I was an ECE student because CSE students would not have have been introduced to that MATLAB and Simulink. So yeah, it was somewhat based on my domain, but not entirely. I should have actually learned some new things before I could jump into my project.
Okay. Briefly walk us through your internship experience in MathWorks and the project you worked in.
Okay. So the internship at MathWorks was great. I was assigned with a mentor and a manager. So the mentor helped me through the project and also gave all the required tools for me to complete the project. And my project was on TCP shared test utility. So it is a utility that is used in the internal MathWorks files, test files. So I just did a utility for making TCP connections and also the additional functions that can help the TCP connection. So basically, I removed Java socket programming and introduced socket programming with MATLAB. So that was the project. And my mentor helped me through every stage. So it was actually a fine, good experience, I'd say.
That's inspiring to hear from you. Let's move on to the sixth question. Please enlighten us about the challenges and hardships faced by you in the intern. Were you able to allot time for other activities while working at home?
Yeah. So, yeah, actually, apart from the projects, we had many workbooks and many other things to complete at MathWorks. So we had programming tasks. We had a lot of hackathons and also some other internal competitions. So we were busy with that, and also we had to do a lot of programming with MATLAB. So yeah, I had time for the project, and also I could do all these things. So it was nice. And about the hardships, I did not have anything actually. So there were always people around me to help. So I did not face any hardship.
We could understand how you manage time even while working at home. That will be very useful for juniors who are going to do their intern. Okay, then we move on to the seventh question. What are the biggest takeaways from this experience?
Yeah, so the biggest takeaway would be always be ready to learn something new. You can't be complaining that it's not my domain or something. Always be ready to learn something new and put in your hard work, and you'll definitely reach the goal.
That's awesome. Would you recommend this internship to juniors? If so, what would you suggest them to do to acquire such offers?
Yeah, I would surely recommend this internship. Basically, there is something like ECE students would be reluctant to start programming. I just want to clarify the fact that even though I got selected for the MathWorks internship with programming, I was assigned with a project that was related to MATLAB. So I just want to make the fact clear that it's a basic thing. It helps you to enter into a company, and after entering into the company, to be with the project to. So MathWorks is an ECE company, I would say, and also with the other company experiences, with the other first round experiences, Samsung hardware also came, right, for the internship. They also had programming in their first round as a selection criteria. So programming is not an optional thing. It is a necessity for a EC engineer. And I would recommend my juniors to surely start programming today itself. Okay, something is better than nothing, right? So just do something. Learn some new concept every day. And by the time you attend the internship selection, you'll be good to go.
I hope this will help our juniors a lot. Okay, moving on to the last segment. What are your future plans? What have you mapped at the next following this intern?
Okay, so my future plans are to prepare for the placement and to work on a project and to get some intern at Internshala. So these are my plans. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. What's your stand on intern diary series?
Yeah, it's nice actually that they get to know about what's happening before they are even facing that. So that's really nice. And I guess this would help them a lot when they are attending interviews.
Thank you so much.
And preparing for the internship.
It's so nice to hear from you. The Guindy Times thanks Darshan for his time and patience in addressing us and providing us with the useful details to ace a corporate internship. We wish him a bright future in all endeavors. Thank you so much.